Come on, simbahan siya. Pasalamati siya. Hallelujah. He deserves all the praises. He deserves everything that you have. Everything that you can offer to Him this morning. He deserves all of that. Come on. Worship the Lord. Worship Him in spirit and in truth. Oh, Jesus. In James chapter 4, verse 10. James chapter 4, verse 10, it says there, humble yourselves in the presence of the Lord, and He will lift you up. Igsoon, karon nga buntag, gidasig ta, giawhag ta sa word, that we will humble ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Kung gusto nimo nga ipataas ka sa Ginoo, kung gusto nimo overflow, kung gusto nimo magpanalangin, gusto kag pabor, gusto nimo tubag sa mga pagampo, gusto kag kaayuhan, karon nga buntag, humble yourselves in the presence of the Lord, and He will exalt us. He will exalt you. Come on. Come on. Come to His presence. Draw near to His presence, and He will draw near to us. Oh, hallelujah. Karon nga buntag, atong ihatag atong kasing-kasing sa Dios. As He was saying also in His word, love the Lord with all your heart, with all your mind, and with all your soul. Igsoon karon nga buntag. Wa tay mahimo igsoon kung wala tay buhaton para kay Lord. But if you have an action para kay Lord karon nga buntag in honoring Him, hallelujah, God will do supernaturally sa matagusan nato. Love Him. If you love the Lord, you will worship Him. If you love the Lord, you will honor Him. If you love the Lord, you will humble before Him. Come on. Oh, Jesus. Ayaw sayangin higayon igsoon nga naa ka diri karon nga dili mo mahimaya ang Ginoo. Ayaw usigi ang higayon nga naa ka diri karon nga dili nimo malipay ang ngalan ni Lord. Oh Jesus, i-desire ka na karon nga buntag. Tinguha ka na karon nga buntag. Pangayo ka na karon nga buntag. Kay dili na masinati nimo kung dili nimo i-desire. Come on.